guys, it's Gaming Acid. Today we're going to play Agar.io. We're going to play guess, there we go. Now this game is fucking popular as hell. So this is my first time when I record. Well, I tried to record my first video with my friend, but it didn't work out. So I decided to play this Agar.io. No, where the hell are those guys going in me? I don't know. Hackers, man. Hackers. Okay. I don't know really what to say in this episode. There's gonna be a lot of Minecraft, there's gonna be GTA maybe, there's gonna be so much shit. I tried to play Vinlands, but it didn't work out. So let's go. I don't know if the camera is catching up. So, I'm not a really English person or American or whatever the hell you want to say. I am from Serbia and Croatia. I speak Serbian and that's it. I don't really know English so much. Now, there's no face cam, but maybe there is gonna be in the future. I fucked it up, but I did. Now this is easy. Come on. Thank you. And not thank you. I'm not thankful at all. I'm sorry if the microphone is too close to me because I wear headphones. Now I'm recording from Bandicam, and if you guys wanna play with me, I will tell you what server and then we're gonna just play. Well, it is the first episode, so I don't think nobody will. 3 minutes. Yeah, there. There we go. Come on, get it. Got it. Come on. God damn it. Psy gentleman. Hate you, Psy. I don't like actually Psy. No, boy, if you don't get your... Oh, damn. I don't know really what to talk in this episode, so we're just gonna play. Oh, come on. But where are those cells that go? I don't know. Hackers. Hackers. It's just so easy with them. Oh, why did I press that? I didn't mean to. Jesus. Fuck. Okay, if you like this episode, punch that like and leave a comment. So